Next applicant.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Tell me about yourself.
I am John Lloyd O. Cordova. You can call me Lloyd. 18 years old. I'm living in Lotus, Parañaque City. I have graduated from TUP, Technological University of the Philippines, Taguig campus, with a Bachelor Engineering Technology Diploma major in Automotive Technology. So, my hobbies are reading or watching some other educational videos from YouTube. So during summer vacation, I work in Jollibee for additional income so that I can sustain some financial and that I challenge every day.
Next question. What made you apply for this position?
I applied to for this position because I am seeking a more challenging opportunity in automotive field. The job description you provided was especially exciting to me because your company is well known for its outstanding level of professionalism and growth opportunities. I would be glad to work for your company.
Okay, for next question. What makes you qualify for this position?
Uh, Having thoroughly researched the job description and the company, I see you are looking for someone who is a skilled multitasker. In all of my previous job, I have been complimented many times on my ability to manage multiple tasks. I also enjoy this work and I'm excited and challenged by taking on a similar task.
Next question. Why should we hire you?
Uh, why should you hire me? I grow in environments like yours where I feel constantly challenged and I work well under pressure and, and emotionally intelligent and I'm never influenced by my stress. I would take advantage of every developmental opportunity and I'm willing to do whatever is needed for the company, including expanding my ability, traveling for work, and even shifting to that need develop. I genuinely want to work here more than anywhere else, and I would commit myself to working here for the long term.
Are you interviewing with any other
Uh,
companies?
no, I am not interviewing with other companies. After graduating from college, I have set my sights on only working for our organization. I have been work here during our OJT for the past 3 months, and no, this is the only company I want to work for. Your employees are happy, and your manager is very knowledgeable.
What is your ideal work environment?
Uh, my ideal work environment is a culture that values continuous learning and professional development. The automotive industry is rapidly evolving with new technologies, materials, and manufacturing techniques emerging all the time. A workspace that prioritizes ongoing education and training would enable me to stay current with industry developments, expand my skill set, and grow as a professional.
For the last question, what makes you different from other applicants?
So, throughout my academic and professional career, I have developed a solid foundation in automotive systems, including engine repair, transmission, brakes, suspension, and electrical systems. My hands-on experience working on various types of vehicles, including passenger cars, trucks, and motorcycles, has provided me with a comprehensive understanding of the mechanics of automotive repair and maintenance. One of my greatest strengths is my ability to think creatively and approach problems from a unique perspective.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Cordova, for participating in this interview. And just wait for our email. If you are accepted, you may dismiss. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay, next applicant.
Good
Good afternoon, sir. Tell me about yourself.
I'm Wendell Manalo. I'm 25 years old and freshly graduated from Technological University of the Philippines, Taguig, as a Bachelor of Engineering Technology major in Automotive Technology. And I'm highly motivated and detail-oriented as an individual with passion for this automotive industry. Through my academic professional journey, I've been exposed to various aspects that may affect and improve my ability to in terms of technological processes in automotive sector.
So, what made you apply for this position?
I'm drawn to this role because of this company reputation and commitment to innovate and improve the automotive sector and sustainability. The opportunity to work here with talented team and professional who share my passion for industry is truly exciting.
So, what makes you qualified for this position?
With my strong foundation in automotive, I possess an understanding of the technical aspects that may help to improve and collaborate effectively with other teams. Additionally, I've developed expertise in industry specific software and tools such as CAD design and simulation program.
Why should we hire you?
I am confident that I carry a unique combination of technical expertise, problem-solving skills, and passion for the automotive industry. I'm also excited about the opportunity to contribute to the company's success and help drive innovation in industry and also improve my skills.
Are you interviewing with any other companies?
No, sir, because this is the only company I was interested since after I graduate. And I want to join this team that is known in automotive industry.
What is your ideal work environment?
My ideal work environment is one that provide great collaboration and innovation with continuous learning. I thrive in fast-paced, changing environments where no days are wasted. I'm excited about the opportunity to work with a group of talented people with different professionalism who share my passion for the automotive industry and are committed to deliver exceptional result and help me to improve and evolve my skill to help the automotive sector to grow more and improve.
So, for the last question, Mr. Wendell, what makes you different from other applicants?
What set me apart from other applicants is my unique blend of technical expertise, problem solving skills, and passion for automotive industry. My experience in design and development testing has equipped me with deep understanding of the different technical aspects in industry. Additionally, my ability to communicate complex technical concept effectively and collaborate with professional team show me and set me apart from the different applicants.
So that's it, Mr. Wendell. We will send you an email to inform you that you are passing our interview.
Sige, sir.